8,500 स्क्वेअर मिटर जागो हो कोण तरी आयज बिल्डर थंय प्लॉट करता. अशा तरेचे हांगासर इलिगल कोमुदाचे जागे एन्क्रोचमेंट जावपाक लागल्या.
तुम्ही कोमुनदाद टेक ओवर करतले आणि ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटर घालून चलयतले. स्पीकर सर नो, तशें जावंक शकना तें. ती जमीन गांवकारांची जमीन मॅनेज करपाक तुम्ही तुमचो जाय तो ऑफिसर घालतले आनी तुमकां जाय ते करतले. हें करूंक जायना.
Has forged the papers. Like Serula Kumdadi काढो ते भाशेन. He has forged the papers, made it look original, outward gone town planning असो. आणि त्याने लायसन्स दिला आणि लायसन्स घेयला. हेजी SIT जावपा जाय. Will the minister give me an assurance तेजी SIT जातली? कित्याक कुमदादी is directly involved there. थिंग एकलो मनीस आहा कुमदादीन, ते दवले कुमदादीन. तो प्लॉट भरमसाट विकिता.
At present, there are 225 numbers of comunidades which are divided into 3 zones: North, South, Central Zone, headed by Administrator of Comunidad of each zone. Article 5 of Code of Comunidad provides for Administrator tutelage of the state. The Code of Comunidad has contemplated about the defunct Comunidad in default, and the provision for the same are made in Chapter 7 of Code of Comunidad. The Article 173 of the Code states that Comunidades in default, defunct, are those whose members have deserted its administration or is unable to pay the dues. In these two types of cases, the Comunidades are considered to be default and defunct. Speaker, sir, there are 14 defunct Comunidades in South Goa. Presently, the Comunidad of Shelvona of Kepen Taluka and Comunidad of Netorlim of Sangen Taluka, which are not functional for 2 decades, are processed to be made functional by registering the new scenarios. The government will appoint the managing committee in these Comunidades in a due course of time to run the affairs of the Comunidad. My government will explore all the possibilities to make such Comunidades functional with the help of the concerned administrator, local bodies, and with the help of my colleagues. We shall make awareness so that the shareholders, zonarios of the said defunct Comunidades take over their respective Comunidades. In case of any encroachment are noticed, Article 371 and 372 of the Code of Comunidad empowers the administrator of Comunidades to take action.